No, I don't have to. For they say in every situation, we should give glory to you. They say no matter the circumstances, be it good or bad, that you're already tasting them. Perhaps they are right. Maybe you know the best for me. My child is all I have. My child is all I have in the world. My only consolation in time of agony. Since I have decided that no man shall have me as a wife in order to keep the memory of my late husband alive, please God, bless her for me and grant her the strength more than that of a widow, so she will fill the vacuum of a husband that I lost and a son that I will never have. Make her the hope of a poor widow like me. I know you are a faithful father who will never let me down. As I pray in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
You do? How is your healthy?
I'm better today with the thought of you on my head. And so, how was the farm work?
Mama, work is hectic. But I'm going to get tired now. So when I finished, I had to go to the market and bought some things I can take on that trophy.
Is it doing one? Your father will be so proud of you wherever he is. And that reminds me, Alphonsus came here to check on you. You were not around.
Oh, he comes here?
Yes.
Hey. And I can't go there now because I have to prepare food so we can eat. No problem. After eating, on my way to churches, I'll go and see him. Oh?
It's alright.
Let me go and make it. Oh?
Obim, the way I missed you earlier today, I feel like killing myself. I don't get them more.
Abonko does not kill. Does not kill. I does not want to lose you. If you misses me and kill somebody, that means if you misses me 3 times, he won't matter. And instead of you to commit murder, allow them to commit suicide.
I will not kill only myself. I will kill the inhabitant of the whole of Umunze. For you.
Mba, I does not want it like that. Oh, I does not want anything to happen to you. You know I love you, and I will love you forever.
Hi, Obwem. You know, whenever you use this word, loving me forever, my heart keep melting.
Like mano. Okay, I will love you forever. I will love you forever. I will love you forever. I does not know it gives you sweetness. Now that I know, I love you forever.
Hey, come. You two fools. Come here, I said. Come here. Will you shut up that?
Nani, what is it again?
My mother has sealed those their lips. Those their lips you use to utter that nonsense as a question.
Abo, Nai, That is not a very good word if it is coming out from a child of a God.
Will you shut up your mouth?
This my Bible tells me that you does not need to cause a curse upon somebody. And now you're causing a curse. Is it good?
Hey, will you shut up your mouth? Override Tutu. Look at you. You don't know you are destroying this boy. And he calls himself a boy. He's a man. His mates have all married. And he cannot marry. Yeah? You stupid girl. Why not be on your own? Leave him alone to be of importance to me. That is why I raised him. I will make... Look, if you don't take your time, I will tear that thing in between your legs. Huh? That has made you not to stay at a place at a time. What is wrong with you?
Nani, what has she done? What has she done now that you're cursing her? Can you make it?
I does not know. I just see him and I greet him.
Will you shut up? Huh? Shut up your mouth! Can't you reason? Can't you reason for once? Can't you know that your mates are all hustling, looking for a way to be important to themselves? You follow a woman like a he-goat all around. Follow she-goats. You he-goat following she-goats. If I leave you alone now, can you marry her? No, can you marry her? Can you afford to marry her?
Oh, you know I love you.
Chimo!
Daddy, my sins you, Masaba.
Papa.
If I see you here, if I see you near here anytime, I am going to kill you and send your cup to Papa. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that?
Papa.
Okay, go with me at home. I will get you at home. Don't worry, I'll get you. I will get you. And since you want to die, I will kill you. You will die wretched like her father. Idiot! You will die. And for you, don't worry. I will kill you. And I will send your corpse to your wretched, sick, and cursed mother. Nonsense. No. Come close to him again, and you will see. Come close to him again. Nothing. Look at your face. What happened?
Don't give yourself worries. Don't give yourself worries.
Are you sure?
We are closest to the hospital. Doctor, please. Treatments are for me. I does not have fathers. It is only a she that I have.
As you can see, we are doing the best we can. Your mother's illness was not giving proper attention. As a result of that, it has degenerated. And we need 26,000 naira to commence treatment. And we need it fast. Yes.
26,000 naira.
Yes.
Hey! Hey! What to do now? What to do? I does not have seat. What's your home? I does not have 26,000 naira. I does not see it before. Because treatment at least small. Oh, can't we wear now? I didn't make you more. I hustles. But in Jiro, you get that. Oh, does not let her die.
Hospital procedures. There's nothing I can do about it. You need to pay first before commence treatment.
What is it, Kelvo? Why are you crying on the road?
My mother's sickness is a seriousness, and now I take her to the hospital. The doctor said that he does not want to treatment her unless I brings 26,000 naira.
Jesus!
I does not have it.
Why are they heartless? Where do they expect you to get that kind of money from?
I does not know. I does not know. I does not know.
Then where are you going to?
I rush you to the hospital.
It's alright. Go, I will join you. Chelo, I want to apologize for what my father said to you.
It is no problems.
I will join you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. And what is it?
I don't know if we can sit down here and discuss it.
Why not? Let's sit down. So, what is it that you want to discuss with me?
Ogobi, I really need help from you.
What type of help do you want?
Ogobi, I will need 26,000 naira. It's very urgent.
Look, Avosis, you expect me to give you such amount of money just like that?
No, Ogobi. That's why I came with this bag. For collateral.
Okay, let's just have a look at it. The back is good and I will give you.
Oh, thank you so much.
But you know I've been a loan lender for long now. If you fail to bring my 10% after 2 weeks, I will sell off this bike to recover my money.
Agreed.
Okay then. Follow me, let me give you the money then.
Okay, I brought the money. Let me count it so you can also reach.
Does not waste your time. Take it. It is a complete. Take it and go and treat my mother.
Why?
Abongo does not tell me that. Does not tell me that. Now he says I bring money. I bring money. It's him Jokura can't.
I say you need to.
Does I care? No, does not tell me that. Takes the money and go and treat my mother.
I say you need to pay to the account department so that we can commence treatment. Doctor, this place,
If something happens to my
Doctor,
mother,
where is the account?
wicked people. You want to obituary my mother.
Obi? Obi? The chief, good evening, sir. Who brought my bike here?
Your son, of course.
My son?
Yes.
Alifo, my son? Where is he?
Iche, your son has gone home. He used this bike as collateral to collect 26,000 naira from me.
Hey! Hey! I don't understand you. No, I did not hear what you said. Do you mean that my own son, Alifo, came here with this bike and collected money from you, and he used my own bike as a collateral?
He said you sent him to use it as collateral.
Obi, bet you believed him. You believed him and you gave him money. You call it loan on my behalf without my consent. And you took my own bike. It's a lie. It's a lie. Well, I don't have any business with you. Let me just be frank. I have no business with you. I'm going with my bag. See, when you see my son,
your son has my money. If he gives me my money, I will give you your bike.
Look, Obi, don't just try me. Don't try me. Don't try it yourself. Because you know the right thing and you did not do it. You're supposed to have consulted me. Where? Did you seek my consent? Now touch this bike. Let me see if it is not a woman that gave birth to you. Nonsense.
Okay, come down.
Look from this bike, Obi. I'm going to wound you. I wound you. So don't take time now. I wound you. I'm going to wound you. I will tell you that the dry bone is stronger than the flesh. Touch me again.
Okay, come down.
Look,
come down from
Obi. As it's a lie. Obi, don't provoke me. I said don't provoke me. I have told you before, don't let people hear my voice. Do you hear me? Don't let me wound you with this thing on. Give me a chance, let me go with my bike.
Iche, come down from this bike.
It's a lie. Come down from this bike. I said it's a lie. I said it's a lie.
Come down.
Look, I'm going to wound you. I will wound you. Don't touch me again. Touch me again. You want to know what I can do?
Mando. Nah. Thank you so much. Huh? May God bless you for me. We owe you everything. Oh, thank you for this gesture.
Mama, you don't have to thank me. What I did it for God and my love here.
God blesses you for me. But How do you management to get the money?
My love, I would say it's a miracle. It's a miracle. Mama, I have to be on my way now.
It's all right, my son.
Mama, let me saw you
much.
off.
Okay.
Oh.
Come here. Alphonsus, where is my bike? Have you suddenly become deaf and dumb? I said, where is my bike? Where did you keep my bike, my motorcycle? What's wrong with you? Where is it?
Papa, I used it as collateral to borrow money to save somebody's life.
Hey! Hey! Alphonsus! You use my own bike, your father's bike, without his consent to save somebody's life. Who is that person, if I may ask? Is there anybody sick in this my house? He or she that I don't know? To the point of death that you should use my own bike to save that person's life.
Papa, Mama, she was sick. And the hospital people said that they can't treat her. Except I deposit 56,000 naira.
Hey!
Use of my bike.
Hey! So, you could not use the money to save even better people. It's to save a woman that has no relationship with me. Alphonsus, you are joking. In fact, you are joking. You better go back now. Wherever you know you have kept that bike, go and bring it back.
Papa, even when we go to mobile, even number I'm willing to make it up.
Hey! I don't want money. I don't want money. Neither can buy you are not going to sleep in this house. Now let me tell you. Let me tell you. You better go out of. Don't go out from this environment entirely. I don't want to see you here until you bring back that motorcycle. Go out, I say. I can go.
This boy is really a blessing to this family. But my only worry for you people's future is his father's hatred for this family.
But Mama, why does he hate us like that? Eh? He does not like anything about me. I does not know why he hated us so much. I does not know.
I will tell you. Chief Amade wanted to marry me as a second wife.
Eh?
When I was still a young woman. Because he was considered as one of the richest farmers in Omuze back then. But I rejected him. And I insisted on marrying your father who was poor. But after my heart. Since then, he has not forgotten the disappointment. He even accused me, Mongwabumboli, of killing your father when he died. And accused you of being a witch because you were born the same day your father died. He made a lot of people believe him. That is why we suffered this rejection in Umuze today. But I thank God for his son Alphonsus, who is always there for us.
That man is a useless man. He's a devil man. So this is why he hated us.
My daughter.
Devil's man.
The advice I want to give you is this. Don't marry because of money. Marry because of love.
I understand it. Let's eat so that you can take your drugs.
Took the last one in the morning.
Okay. Oh yeah, just eat. I will go and find money and buy you another drugs. Oh? Oh? Looks at that bed.
Mama, please now. We're already late to school.
Shh! Reduces your voice. Do you want to chase it away? Eh?
Mama, please, not today again. We use your bed wanting.
If I says it now, you're going to go quickly.
That one is your business. Me, I'm off to school. Bye-bye.
Hi, 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 hi. Hi, 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 hi. Abamba wanyama, abamba skambana. Mwana wera sebuo, odacho patrogo. Mani yawe yansebuo, ige kolu kesi. Imakwi kolu se kesi ya. Abula mungu, abamba wari ya waya. This is Abo. Abamba butu abubuo. Hey chibi chibi, hey chibi chibi. Abo. Oh la 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 la. This is Abo. Mama, abamba wejejemla. Icham pekasia, icha debili no debili. Manacha bana bombo kuo, cha single bird. Why you do waka? Waka paraka. Ode mi fesirike. Abamba.
Good morning, sir. So after all the time you have spent in this school, you are yet to learn that a woman should be addressed as ma and a man should be addressed as sir. Now say it for me. Stupid self into the class. Aboma, what is this?
Dikeh, does you have blindness? It is a uniform.
Shut up! I can see your stubbornness is growing day by day. Have I not warned you to stop calling me Mrs. Koi Koi? Or have I not warned you to stop wearing this thing to school? Have I not? For goodness sake, this is state government school. You are not paying any school fees. Yet you can't even get school uniform.
I don't know why you takes my own. Because everybody goes short.
Will you shut up that your useless mouth? Well, I am going to give you 30 lashes of cane. First, for calling me Mrs. Koi Koi. Second, for coming to school late. And third, for putting on this thing to school. And next time you repeat it, I will make sure that you are suspended from this school. Now, get on your own.
Abamba is a finish. I does not want to offend them.
Lie down!
My trap.
This is Abo. Abamba where you wire. This is Abo. Abamba put up.
Hey! Chukwuonye ọrụ amara. Tabu bosi angori bosi ni na bugi bakwa. Tabu bosi angori bosi ni na bugi bakwa. Tabu bosi angori na. Hey! Eh? Thank you, Jesus, for making my trap to catch this meat. For making my trap to trap this meat down. Hey! Tabu bosi angori bosi ni na bugi bakwa. Tabu bosi angori bosi ni na bugi bakwa. I go to sell it to Mosbo. I go to what? Chibaragwa. 5,000 equal 1,000. Eh? Onye anu ntia. Iji 2,000. I'm married. Anu ntia.
This girl not looking for trouble. She's a hustler. If you get your man, this girl not looking for wahala. She's a hustler. If you get your man, she not they look for trouble. She not they look for wire. She not there for wuru. If you get do bad things, yeah, come on for her face, yeah. Oh, la, double wahala. Jai, chukweso fuma, makandi pianya, halu elena, ifuga kwa mama, touch not one number, 1 blood, 7 apples. Zepa yuga yana magi, 1 number. Kakari kwa mama, ipugide la lutonola, imegide steni kenu ai abama. You know what nema, ipugide la lutonola, imegide steni kenu ai abama. You know what nema.
Mama. Ndo.
You're back. Welcome. So how is school today?
Mama, it is not a good something to do. It has stayed with dismissals from school. But I go to the market to sell something. Mama, my body is a pain.
Why?
All my body is a pain. Aye.
What happened to you?
Now my teacher flogged me. If we hurt him, if we hurt him, the insulting and the embarrassment that I am getting in this school, it is not giving me smiling face at all. It is not giving me smiling face. I told you that I does not want to go to school. I does not want it. It's because they are doing it free. That is why you push it me to go. It is not everybody that is making money that goes to school. We have furniture. I want to Igbo. Chineke can decide to bless me like that. I can experience it. Look at my body, pains.
I understand you. But you must realize that education is very necessary in this age. Unlike our own time, things has rapidly changed.
Sorry.
It is difficult for one to succeed in this life, being uneducated. But if I may ask, what did you do to the teacher that made her to wipe you?
I did not do her anything, no. I did not do her anything. I does not look for people trouble. I does not. The thing is that on my way to school, I saw Okili bed. And I have to pursue it. I pursued it well by a tam with my catapult. Before I could finish it, I go to school late. Small late, your broken late in the evil. And she flogged me.
Just that?
Just that, oh. She's giving complaints that I cause her Madam Koi Koi. Other members in the class cause her Madam Koi Koi. What is making my own differences? What is making my own differences? And she's telling me that she does not want to see me wear this school uniform to school again. As if there is another one that she gives to me. I does not stop people staying.
I understand you. But you must realize that being late to school is entirely your fault. And it is very wrong to call your teacher mockery names. It's not good. As for the school uniform, I don't know how we are going to solve this one. Because this illness has really crippled me, that I cannot do anything to help financially in this family. Making the whole burden of this family lie on your young shoulder. I don't know what to do anymore. But I think I have to go and borrow.
Mama? It's because nobody is going to borrow money to you. You remember the last time we borrowed money from Mama Ejike that you did not pay it on time? She was here insulting you, embarrasses you. Who do you think that can borrow us money in this village again? There is nobody. There is nobody that can borrow us money.
You have suffered a
Mama,
lot.
don't worry. I will try my best. I am going to get another uniform. She's not a god. Our auntie in the school, Madam Koi Koi, is not a god. And you know we're going to.
Mama, you are suffering a lot. You have single-handedly catered for the expenses of this family, especially my sickness. I don't know why they took away your father from us.
Mama, what to do now? What to do? If I does not take care of you, who will? It is okay. I buy drugs for you.
Where did you get money to buy drugs for me?
Mama, it is not a small something. My trap catches big grass cutter. On getting to Nkwo, what first customer came and he does not want to price good price. See, the second one came and prices good price. Let's see, 2,000 naira.
2,000? Hey, hi. No, ma'am. I am so proud of you. You know?
Mama, don't worry. I must make money, Mama. If I make money, I will buy 2 hammers. Hammer, I will drive one and you will drive one. I know I got a hammer. Let me go and fetch this water for you, so you take the drug. Hey, what's the such thing? Chill. Well done.
How many times will I order my name is Kosi? Or do I look like a village fowl like you? Please ask her.
Uncle. So your name is not a Kosi Tochko. So you does not want me to call you the name your parent gave you. Makanine Mega. Because I does not come here for you. Name. But I must say.
What for? Are we class in any way? I've warned you to stop visiting my house. We're not in the same class.
They gives me expulsion from my school. They says that my school uniform is tearing and it has differences patch. That I should come with another new one. And I does not have money. You know I do farms for people. The people I farms for, they have not paid me. They owe me big money. And I does not have money. So I come to ask for your help. If you can help me with small money. Or you know you now, anyway, your school they wears youth skirts. If you can help me with that youth skirt, I can join it with my school or the manager.
Hey!
Hey! Jesus.
Hey! Jesus Christ of Nigeria. Aboma, I've warned you severally to stop coming to my house. Do I look like a bank or a tailor that men suppose tore and worn uniform? I've warned you. Stop coming to my house. Do you hear me? Do I look like those village fowls or those timid, useless fools you walk around village with? I don't have any uniform to give to you. I'm Yoruba, I can't give my uniform to you. Do you hear me? Please, just get out from this place. Don't come here ask for anything again. But don't go close to us. Don't go close to us again.
You are better now. So speak
She don't know me. She don't know me. Does I talk? Just help somehow. Please now, why you curse me like this? Is it because I ask you for help? Is that why you curses me like this? Or the man?
Yes.
Please. Because if you are in my shoes and I'm in your slippers, I does not do you like this. Because
Madam,
just helps me out.
Aboma, please, we don't need your sermon this afternoon. Sure, you can hear me. Take your dirty smelling sermon to your sick mother at home. Do you hear me? And this should be the first and last time you come to my house to beg me for any help at all. Do you hear me? Don't even try it again. Just get out from this place.
You've heard that now. Go.
Go now. Go. Thank you. If you don't mind her.
I ask for help. That's why you give me all these plenty insults. Okya?
Yes.
Okya?
Yes.
Go.
Look at her. I trust her and I give it to her. I was telling you.
No. Adam mad. What is it? Yeah? Your heart is troubled.
Is it because of the experience?
What is it? No, Mama.
Mama,
your heart is troubled.
My heart has shattered. It has shattered. Why has God done abandonment for us? Why?
Shh. Don't speak like that again. God does not abandon his people. He's with us.
No. Does not tell me that. God is not with us. If God is here, he does not suffer this kind of suffer that we suffer. We suffer like people that has cursing curse. People give us humiliation. There is nothing that we touches that has prosper. Everything is turning upside down. God is not with us. God is not with us. In fact, there is no God.
There is God. Don't speak like that. There is God. He's very much alive. He's watching over us. He's even taking control of us. Look, let me tell you. Life is such an irony. However, God is not asleep. He will answer us at his own appointed time.
When is the appointment time?
His own appointed time.
When is the appointment time?
tells me,
very soon.
Is it when this sickness that you're seeking kills you? Or is it when hunger kills us? Is that the appointment? I does not want to hear that thing, Biko. In fact, there is no a God.
Hey! Please, don't speak in this manner. There is God. God will answer us very soon. As long as we keep having faith in Him and doing perseverance in prayers, He will. Our breakthrough will come.
Let God answer us also. Let God answer us because I have tiredness for all these things. I goes to borrow money from Chinwe and Kosi Sochuku, and they give me insulted. There is nothing that they told people that they did not tell me today. Makana your hego.
No. Stop crying. Oh, now I understand. Don't worry. God is in control. Enugo? I'm sorry.
I will took my own destiny by my hand though. I am going to take it by my hand because I cannot sit and all these things will be going like this.
You will walk from here down there, then come out this place. I will call 3 other laborers to join you.
Akbonku, you does not need to call any laborer.
Huh?
Yes. Only me, myself, Nemo women. I can finish the work.
I doubt if you can finish
I'm
that.
the strongest woman.
You are just a woman. How can you do 4 men's job? It's not possible. Let me bring other laborers to join you. Look, I want this job done immediately. No delay.
I can finish it. My mother is having sickness and I need money for my schools. So if he's taking me to work morning, work afternoon and work night, I will work it and finish it.
Look, I told you I want this job done immediately. Today they should finish this job. Delay is dangerous for me. Is that okay?
I'll finish it.
You can finish it.
Before you know it, I will not going to get much. Oh, only me. I can finish it.
Okay, I take it by your word. If you delay, I will call another crew to join you up.
It does not delay. It does not delay. It does not delay. It does not delay.
Okay, please don't delay my work. Else I get other laborers to join you.
Happen here, other levels. Other levels happier. I will finish it. Mana, Uncle, you does not want to tell me about Ego Niga.
Agamakongi 2,000 naira.
2,000. It is a too much job.
If I call in 4 persons, 500 naira, that's 2,000 naira. Then you only want to do it. I'm giving that same 2,000 naira. Okay. I'll add 500 naira to make it 2,005.
Okay, Che, just gives me 3,000.
If I get other laborers, I can do the job for 1,005. I'll share 500. But I'm giving 2,000 naira. It's okay like that.
How are you?
What does you come to the market to do? You come to buy Ngwongwe senior. I farm for you and you does not want to pay me.
I will pay your money.
You will, Mbosole. Did I not tell you that my mother is sick? You must face me. You must face me today. Unless I want to be late. Okay. You must face Apple. You must face me. Today. You must face me. You must face me. You must face me my money. Today you must face me my money. Move. You are a wickedness. I tell you that my mother is
If I get up here,
you must give me my money. You are a wickedness man. You are a wickedness man.
If I get up here,
if I leave you today, you want to
Agoma.
No, they are not going to show. It is very intimidating. Chineke na-eme ezimela ekene dịrị gị onyukwu. Who opens that door like Onyoshi?
John, look at that. The idiot that fought me. Just look at that.
Okay, but does not come close. If you come close, what can go? I kill you. Does not try me. I kill you. Mama, does not eat me. Does not come close. Yes, me not.
Take your hand.
Mama, what is it?
You want to kill my daughter for me? What is it?
My daughter. Your daughter fell right inside Market Square. A red cap chief, for that matter. You're in chair.
How is it possible?
I hope you does not come to this place to talk this nonsensical that is coming out from your mouth. Because you tell me to farm for you. You does not want to pay me. I hope you come here with my money.
I'm not got an opportunity to form me a holy chain, red cap chief, right inside the Market Square.
Do you have barriers?
Mother like daughter.
That one I does you in the market is just a starting.
Yeah.
If I do the endings, you does not like it. Pays me my money.
You are not just in the course of the fight here.
Yes.
No. What did you just say? You said you don't have interest in for what happens.
Yes.
Because if you are sensing, you're supposed to know and ask him what triggered the fight. You does not want to know what triggered the fight, okay?
You hear that? Look. What is going on? What is it? What is going on?
You know I does not look for troubles.
I know.
Who intimidation me. Nai calls me, said I should go and farm for him. If a farm that 4 men supposed to farm, he gives me a note to farm it. Only 2,500. I farm it finish. He wants to intimidation me. Now he brings this Umuru to come and intimidation me. Comes close now. Left me alone. Left me alone. Not to go. That's it to pay me my money.
Okay, Aboma. What happened?
Look, imagine this riffraff, this good for nothing girl, this semi-Bethite met me in the market, fought me, fell a whole red cap chief down on the ground. We are talking.
I have agreement that I does that. Manamaka, why?
You know what?
Hey,
go inside.
Hey, Obima does not like this thing. This is a partiality thing. I don't know. If he does not pay me my money, what are you going to issue?
You must be punished for falling the whole chain.
It's only falling that I fall. I will still use it if he does not pay me my money.
I am begging on him.
But you know what it takes for a red cap chief to be. You know. Okay, tell her to meet the elders and appease the gods.
Well, she personally will come.
Okay, the gods will be appeased.
I know.
1 big he-goat, 12 tubers of yam,
fat ones.
Or in alternative, 20,000 naira. Solve that problem.
It's a cow now.
Let's go.
That's enough.
Does not let you asked him to go without my money. He goes without my money. My Nigeria has gone without my money.
Obi, my thought I've told you to stop doing tedious jobs. Huh? It's not for girls like you, it's for men like me.
If I does not do it, who does it for me? Who does it for me? Let me tell you, I does not do this job because I want to do it. No. Why I does this akboro is because I need money to do for my school and my mother's treatmental.
Why did you not come to me?
I comes to you every time. I does not want to come to you this time around.
Obi, am I complaining?
You does not need to complain before I complain the complaint for you. I am complaining the complaint for you in my heart. Mado Kambo.
Obi, Mozuko.
Hey, Akbo. Akbo, Akbo Nko. Chimo.
What is it?
You are dirty, you. He does not want to tell me, okay?
I hears everything. If you think that I does not hear it, I hears it. I hears that you go and steals your father's motorcycles. You steal it and you goes to borrow money from Obi with your father's motorcycle. And now your father chases you away. You does not have home.
God forbid that I will steal. For the fact I took his bicycle without his consent, that doesn't make me a criminal.
Cheru, what is the differentiation between took and steal? You took it, you steal it, you steal it. It is the same thing.
Obi, it was urgent.
It's bullshit.
It was urgent. I needed to pay your mother's hospital. Yes.
So, it is because my mother is a sickness, that's why you stay.
I did it.
I will never forget you. You have tried for me so much. I love you.
I love you too, baby.
I love you. I love you.
I love you, baby.
But you goes far. You goes far.
There's nothing for it. Anything worth saving someone's life is worth sacrifice.
I love you. I love you. But what is the situations in your house?
For now, I don't know my fate. My father sent for my elder brother to come. See, when he comes home, I'll be able to tell what my fate is.
So, because of me, you sufferness now.
That's enough. That's enough. Okay? No. Come.
I feel pityness for you.
It's okay. I'm a man, I can handle it. Alright? I want you to know I love you.
And I love you.
I can do anything because of you.
Alphonsus, you are mad! Listen, Papa is a principled man. Our mother was a virtuous woman. Me and you were both spawned. And we were spawned from the same womb. But I see and I understand now that you are completely deficient of the very thing that made me who I am. How could you? How could you go and take Papa's bike, his most revered bike? Every little put moto, punya Papa or where his very revered bike. And you use it to borrow money. To save a woman that has not contributed an iota into this your wretched life. If you interrupt me one more time, Alphonsus. This is your senior brother. How could you be so stupid? Papa, listen! You go walk with this boy.
Oh, Alphonsus. Why not listen to your senior brother first?
Papa, no.
Listen to him first. When he lands, you can say whatever you want to say.
I have made my decision. I've decided no man back Igbo, Papa. You will not stay in this village. Papa. I'll give you two options. Will you? Listen, Papa, if this conversation will continue, talk to your son.
I am warning you for the last time. Keep your mouth shut while your senior brother, speaks here.
Papa,
you are going to keep quiet until he finishes saying what he's saying. Allow him to Allow him to land before you say whatever you want to say.
Alphonsus, this is my last warning to you.
I will give you two options. I will take you with me back to the city. I will sign a check of 5 million naira with which you will start a business in the city. It is on one condition. You will leave this village for good. And you will also leave that wretched girl in actually can speak.
Oh.
You will not come back. If you choose option 1, let's see if you have anything at all in your head. If you choose option 2, you will leave this house. I will wash my hands of everything that has to do with you. And so will Papa. Alphonsus, deal or no deal? It is you I have come to see.
Oh, no. Thank
you. I have come to tell you, Alphonsus. Now, I came to tell you that I have decided to take my brother to the city so that I can make a life out of this his useless life. And I will suggest that you do so for yourself, because I don't think you will ever see him again. Yes. Now if you get lucky, you might find a man that is like what my brother here will be when I am done. That is if you get lucky. But I'm a man that you are not young and you are not getting younger. You are older. Move on with your life. Find meaning to this your wretched life. Oh, boy, advise your daughter. Aboma, you will never, read my lips, you will never see Alphonsus again.
Mentions my name again. God, what is my crimes? What is my crimes?
I'm sorry. I am sorry to betray our love. I'm sorry to betray the trust of our each other. But I had to do this for my future. All I want you to do is to understand. I am sorry. I am sorry to betray the love and the trust of you together. Please. I had to do this for my future. I want you to understand. I have to go at least to make money to meet up to your needs. You know how I've been roaming around the village without anything to show for it. I don't have to allow this opportunity to pass me by. No. I'm sorry to... I have to grab it. All I want you to understand is I need to go to the city and make money so I can come and take care of you. Huh? Please. Fine,
You have madness. Do you have madness? I ask you. Do you have madness? Does not touch me. Does not touch me. My father is died. My mother is a sickness. Who do I have? It's only you that I have. But now you want to leave me alone. You want to leave me alone.
You're trying to understand me.
Hi. Where did I give you offended, God? Where did I give you offended?
Obi.
Does not touch me. Does not touch me. You have destroyed me. You have shattered my heart. You tell me that you love me. That is a liar. It is a liar. You does not love me. You does not love me. You are the only person that I have. But now you want to leave me alone. You want a consciousness. You want a consciousness.
You're trying to understand me.
Hi.
We'll end up as farmers.
Does I complain? Does I complain?
If you don't complain, what about me? I want to give you a better life. I'm only going to work.
If everybody left me, you left me too, okay? You left me. You left me.
Why can't you be reasonable? Let me just go and make money so I come back and take you.
Left this room, Mama.
Please.
Left this room.
Please, I'm begging you. Just look at your poor mother.
Mama, left it.
Please, I'm begging you.
Mama.
Do you want to leave me in this world alone? Please, I'm begging you. Please, let me go. Not up on that room, Biko.
Mama, what does I have? What does I have, Mama? I grew up, I does not know my father. I does not know my father, Mama. Sometimes he does not eat. Mama, what does I have? Can he have one magic in our whatever number does I give God offended? No. If I give God offended, I ask God before, give me forgiveness. Today can I give me forgiveness? I look like somebody that is having a curse. There is a curse in my life. I want to kiss myself. Maybe if I die, you get great. And Fortune.
Who do you want to live in this world?
Tells me that he loves me. That he's going to give me love forever. Get on Arum love.
Hey,
I found Arum love. Oh, where was Mama, you do not even have good health. The only thing that gives me happiness is giving me payment. What does I live for again? What does I live for?
So you love Alphonsus more than your mother. So you love Alphonsus more than your mother.
Mama, leave me alone. Let me go.
You Adam Biko. Adam Biko, I'm begging you, leave this room.
Mama, this orphanage is too much.
Please, I'm begging you.
This orphanage is too much.
Please, in there.
I does not give God offended. Why does God give me abandonment?
He did not abandon us.
Why does God give me abandonment, Mama? Mama, put that. Mama, put that.
What is the name for that? What is the name for that? What did I put begging you, leave this room, I'm begging you. Who do you want to leave me for? Can you turn it up on the wall here?
Mama, maybe if I go.
Please, I'm begging you now.
Maybe if I go, this orphanage will go with me.
No.
Maybe I will take it away, Mama.
Please, I'm begging you.
The payment is killing.
No.
This orphanage is killing too. What does I live for? What does I live for? There is no happiness again.
Happiness is coming.
There
are others out there that will give you that happiness.
I does not want other. I want and for.
Please, be careful that don't win it. I'm begging What is it? Nedia Dolilana, Nedia Nibo Biota, Nada Bene the Choir, Etobudo Serene, Abamoga de Mamesia, Nedia. I said him no gadere Mamesia. Nedia.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Very good.
You're welcome.
Very good. You're actually looking big.
My mother is inside. Mama!
Yes.
Uncle Cynthia, there's a wow.
Oh! Collins! Hey! Hey,
Hey!
Collins!
Looking very good.
And you too!
I like this.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
What of the city people?
We are all fine.
Hey!
Uncle has a seat.
Now, wow! This one you remembered us today, are we safe?
Yes.
After such a long time.
Sometimes that is it. So, like I was saying, my wife's job does not give her enough chance to do most of the house chores. So, both of us decided to get somebody who will assist in doing the housework. And when I remembered a very hard-working girl, even at a very youthful age, I decided to go to take her to the city to assist us. And I think that is going to be very beneficial to her. That's why I am here.
Anyway, that is not a bad idea. But what of her education? You know, she's going to school here as one of the beneficiaries of a government free education. And I want her to continue that education. I want her to be educated. How do we go about that?
About her education, there is no problem. Put her in a very good school, far better than the ones found in this community. So there is no problem about that.
It's alright. If you say so, it's okay.
That's good.
Although Aboma here is the one to decide.
So,
because the truthness is that I do not want to go to the city. The stories I hear is not encouragement. Yes, I do not want to go. I do not want to go. I hear that people have accidents in the city because of the way the roads are. Do you understand? And another thing, that man that comes back the other day, he said somebody fall from Umenu in the city. That they build their house very tall. That any mistake, I do not want to go to city at all. I'm not interested.
Aboma, I really want you to go. And the reason I want you to go is I want you to change this your timid and naive mindset.
Mama, that is an insult. Grade 1. I does not like it. Biko.
Your mother is not insulting you.
How can I insult you? What a move with Negi. Pano. I got my body is you book.
I can see you are very funny. Now, you talked about giant buildings, the road, traffic, and so on. But I want to let you know something. If you come and you have stayed for some time, you will get to use the process. Yes. Yes. Hey! Children.
But uncle,
yes.
Even if I accept us now, who is going to take care of my mom?
Don't worry about me. I can take care of myself. You see, this might be the way God wants to answer our prayers.
Yes,
to bless your future. You know?
Mama, who cooks for you? Who fans for you? Who goes to the market for you and do all the house chores for you. You know you are not feeling very, very alright.
No, eh? I'm a very strong woman. Don't worry about me. Thank God I am finally getting better now. Eh? I can manage, I assure you.
Your mother is very right. You come to the city with me. And I will make sure that everything is well with you. I will change your clothes. I'll buy you fine things, beautiful things. My wife is ready to do that.
It's alright, I'll talk about it.
Yeah?
I'll have to talk about it. Yes.
That's alright. That's alright. That's alright. My baby. That's okay. And after thinking about it, when you have decided, please let me know. I will drop some amount of money with you to come to the city. Yes. So that is it.
Like I told you, this is the way God wants to answer our prayers. So I want you to go, oh? Don't worry about me. I know it will not be easy for me staying without you, but this is for the best of our interest. Thank God Collins have already promised that he will be coming home from time to time to visit me. So there's no problem. Oh, no. You know?
Yeah, please be careful. Yeah, Babu. Because I will miss you.
I will miss you too.
And another thing that is giving me a challenge is the food. I don't know. Maybe I go, I not see cassava. I don't see abacha, I don't see okra. Maybe there is no ogris there to make us go to fora. I have problems.
No. Those people living there are all human beings like you. Including Collins and the wife. If they can adapt, you too can adapt. You know? Moreover, when you are going, I will load you with those things you need. When they finish, you send word across to me through Collins. I will pack more and send to you. You can
Mama.
No.
Thank you. Mama, have you seen why I like you so much?
I'll talk as you like.
Mama, if I make money, I must to buy car for you. Do you know that car that Woke local government chairman that is drive? That hammer. I'll buy you hammer. I will buy 2 hammer. I will give you 1 hammer and I will drive 1 hammer.
No.
Mama, I am making this a promise.
I trust you. You and this your dream car.
Don't worry, I'll buy you hammer.
It's alright. Don't worry, just wait until you make money first before you decide on the type of car to buy.
But I have to have a very big dream.
Okay. I must tell you that I'm so proud of you. What would a poor widow like me be doing without you? Dima fofo nang pabu Media Bonyo mana gafe Media Dima fofo nang pabu Jisike o Nimo wana sobo Nedia no lilana Nedia ni mobuto Nada bere na kwaya Eto buno siridi Ogadim mame mesia Nedia. She accepted, but she keeps changing her mind. She's afraid.
I understand that. But I have no doubt that you will convince her. I have to go back to the city now. Yes. That is my complimentary card, and behind it is the address. Yes. Yes.
It's all right.
Please, you are going to give this to her for her transport down to the city.
It's all right.
And then you have this. This is yours. Take care of yourself with that. And then buy her some items.
Collins. Hey, ego ibaba maka. Thank you very much. Stop crying. Remember all I've told you. You know? Respect your uncle and his wife. You know? And don't look for anyone's trouble. No matter what they do to you, don't respond. Just focus on what you are looking for. You know? Be hardworking as you have been always. You know, go. Remember, the city is a very big place. So look well before you cross the road. You know? Because you are all I have in this world. The hope of this family lies on your shoulders. Remember our poor life, our suffering and humiliations from people in this village. You are the one to deliver us. You are my savior. I'm going to miss you. I do not know who will take care of you if I go. God will take care of me. God will. Don't worry, stop crying. I have the instinct that this journey will make us good. That God is going to bless us through this journey. Amen. Mama, if anybody looks for your trouble, that's what I will do that. Just taking care of yourself for me. I does not feel like going again. How can I left you alone? How can I left you alone? It's okay. I have to be going. The journey is too long. You know? Yes, sir.
Hey, what are you doing in the city?
I have stranded. I come to the city so I can go to my office. It's okay. But I'm robber and they carries my bag. My mother gives me to enjoyment in my uncle Collins' house. They took it.
Aboma, let me tell you, life in the city is very, very hard. That is how it is. Hey, you have to be very, very strong. See me, as I'm like this, I'm very, very strong. I'm telling you, I'm hustling very hard. But that aside, I know Uncle Collins' house. Hey, God bless you. Took me to the house. I will take you there.
let's go. I'm going to get something, but I'll take you there.
Hey! Uncle City Collins, you see what I told you? No, you see what I tell you, interesting. If you see what these people does to me, okay, I does not have any plea with me again. It's what I bought. Oh, yeah,
I thank God you ran into Amaka here. I wonder what you would have done. Anyway, it is a lesson for you to be very careful next time.
Uncle, I thank God she's safe. That's the most important thing. I should be on my way now.
It's okay. Thank you very much for coming.
Thank you very much.
I want to see her also. When you come back, I'll show it to you, okay? Thank you very much.
But please be very careful and see me way to your brother.
Okay, sir. Don't go far so that you can find your way. Okay? Amaka, bye-bye. Okay, thank you.
For you now, forever, because I'm showing you off, eh?
What is this like? Yes.
Uncle City Collins, Auntie Beautifulness.
What?
I come to call you people so we can go to the parlor and praise.
Go and pray. Pray along.
Eh? That is a problem. It does not work like that. Makana, ito wari uche na upon sambunanga. Upon some matter that when one or two are gathered in the name of Jesus, and Jesus is there gathering with them. So ever since I come to the city, I've been hears this we casting them and binding them.
That's okay now.
It's
all right. It's all right. Go and continue praying. Or we join you.
Yeah. Okay. Let's all of us go and start it once.
Aboma, get out.
Okay. I wait. Get out! Okay, go. Okay,
She's a small. Besides, prayer is good.
Because you gives me a life. God, I said, may you take all the glories. May you take all the again. Share. It is only yours, Jehovah. Take it in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. Amen. Jesus, I commit Auntie Beautifulness onto your able hands. As I cause her to come and pray prayer, she does not want to pray prayer. Touches her to know that she cannot do without praying prayer in the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. Jesus, I commit my mother that is seeking sickness in your hand. May you touches her with healer hand in the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. Chukima baba no makana city anoha. In all my plans, you got recharge. Rechargeable God, rechargeable God, rechargeable God, rechargeable God, rechargeable. Oh, rechargeable God, rechargeable. here, my guy hits up on mother one day. What is this? They go to open. Hey, hold on. Can you hear me here? I shot her. Sorry. Dude. Sorry, I'm crazy. I pressed it already.
Ma. No, you're telling me you don't know what.
There is no lies on it.
This is really good. It tastes fine. In fact, you will like it.
Uncle, what have the problemless? Because when I come, as long as I told you that I want to eat apple, abacha, opa, all these things that is beautification and hope. That is it. Because before you know it, I getting cancer because of this milly oats. I does not know it. And the behavior or other encouragement, what the capital?
Stop this.
Agoma, whatever you call yourself, stop this rubbish. Are you trying to teach me my job? Are you trying to teach me my job or to change the diet in this house? What is your problem?
Auntie Beautiful, I'm sorry, man. Because I does not eat this oatmeal.
Hey, listen. No. You will like it. Just take little of it. Little.
You know, when you came and talks about this city of 18, I tells you, it is not to go to the city that is a problem. It is to see something that you can be able to eat in the city. Akpo is nowhere to be found. G abacha, umuri hobo, aneli, ahwana de madama, uronke deba. Auntie Beautiful,
or whatever you call yourself. Will you eat that? Eat it. I said eat. Come on, get out of this place. Damn it. It's high time we return this girl back to the village and get someone.
With time, she'll adjust.
Adjust?
Definitely she'll adjust. No, why this? Excuse me. No. Come.
Come, whatever. Clean this and this, put there, but just say this one. It's very, very expensive. It can buy your entire. Mommy is here, my daughter. Mommy, I missed you. I missed you too. Who is this?
sorry, clothes goes up. I try to bring it. That's your business. Clothes goes up almost now.
Oh God. Mom, who's this bush girl? She's our new maid from the village. New maid from the village. Really? See her hair. Simbi goes to school. See your skirt. So dirty. Get out! She will cope with that. Just forget her. Let's talk about it. Mommy, I missed you too. I know you'll be very tired. Come on, let's go. I know. Special love. I miss you. Love me.
It is a mistake. You are carried bangle and put on the leg. Correction is.
If I say you push, you say no. This is not a bangle. It's a leg chain. This is a bangle. Aboma. Please take that bag inside. Now, take it inside and meet me up in the kitchen. Can you forget about this?
Small madam, you're welcome. Oh, no. Do you want coldness water?
No, I need warmness water. Get lost! Aboma, go inside. Mommy, where's this girl? My daughter, it's okay.
Yes.
I'll bring the water.
Oh, thank you very much.
What did you put on? Amba, what is this that you wear? See, this is
stop! The next time you try it again, I will deal with you. Are you mad?
See, this is not good. You are not supposed to put this on. This is not how Onazorazo dresses.
Aboma, how is it your business when now my daughter is dressed?
Beautiful auntie, I am disappointment. I am totally disappointed. Makana, Bible makes us to know that our body is the temples of the Lord. Because this body cannot be temples. Everything, she's looking like prosperity.
Will you shut up? Will you keep your mouth shut? See, mind yourself. You, mind yourself in this house. You big, useless girl. Dad, you want this girl?
Will you shut up your mouth? Listen, I don't want to see you dressed like this next time. In this house and anywhere else.
Hey, I don't like this. You don't come to me. I don't like this.
Will you keep quiet? Get inside there. Get inside. That's alright. No. It is enough. I don't want to hear a word from you again. Get inside.
Eh?
I said get inside.
Uncle City Collins, this is an Apple statement.
I said get inside.
Uncle City Collins, if somebody told me that you will sabotage your daughter because of this thing, I will not believe. I will not believe. So I can get this book of the Kakuna. Uncle Babadum, you know Jemima, that woman that sells on water at the village junctions. All the Akuna that she's bringing to do prostitution. This is how they dress. Go inside!
Go inside!
Inside!
Honey, I don't like this at all. I don't like this at all. Who is that?
Abo.
Abo what?
Small madam.
What are you doing in my room?
Small madam. I come to plead with you.
About what?
I am sorry for that things I do. Please.
Jesus Christ. You're sorry for what happened? What happened?
So that you does not have anger in your mind for me.
Hey!
Please.
God. Just
give me forgiveness, Biko.
You came to apologize to me. My friend, will you get out?
Please.
Just tell yourself to apologize. Use the door as in get out of my room. That's what I mean.
Please. See, you're very young and pitifulness. It does not good for you to have a baby. Oh, that job is not a good something. Forgive me. I want us to be friends.
What? Friends? With you? Champion local girl like you? Me be your friend? How? I can't be your friend. We cannot be friends. You're laughing. What's funny?
You know, I surprise this as you know that I'm a champion in our village.
Shit!
But please,
if you dare in your life touch me and I will destroy my phone! Out! Get out! Useless girl. Want to be my friend? Nonsense. Catch him and go punish you.
Abama wanyama, abama mama, mwana wera sabuo, odacho patrabo, mani yabe yansabuo, ige kolukesi, imakwi koluze kesi ya, abula bunku, abama wera waya. This is Abo, abama buto budo.
Did you just touch my nash? I am asking you, did you just touch my nash?
What's wrong with you?
Did you just touch my
nash? You can't even speak good English. Why are you holding me?
Oh, okay. I do not speak good English. Not Kijiboma allegation that I fucking speak.
That is him. That is him.
Okay, Chariwa Mondo.
No,
try me again. Try me again. You think I'm scared of you? I am not scared of.
It's alright.
Shut up.
What happened? What is it? Huh?
Uncle City Collins.
Yes.
I was here, passes here on my own, and this Anu Mpama, this idiotic idiot, touches my buttocks. Yes, he touches my buttocks, and is that he said that I am fucking Kuti. Can I tell you that I'm fucking Kuti? Uncle, is there anybody that is called Kuti? Shut up!
Get out! Listen, get out! Come on, don't worry, you see.
Shut up!
You keep your mouth shut. Now, tell me, why do you think this young man will just come to you, hit your buttocks, then insult you?
I does not know. That is this place. That it is a no-go area. I does not want to give it out to anybody. Shut up, my friend.
Hey, chibi chibi, hey, chibi chibi. This is Apple. Abamba, where you are? This is Apple. Abamba, put up a girl. Hey, chibi chibi, hey, chibi chibi. Apple. This is Apple.
Yeah, fresh out from exclusive.com, baby.
Where is Musa? I don't know. Is Musa? Yeah, from this house. Yes, for real. Musa!
Uncle City Collins. Uncle.
Oh, no, don't worry. Just keep on reading your Bible, okay? I only came to inform you that you get yourself prepared. Tomorrow we'll be going for your school registration.
Seriously?
Like I promised your mother.
Hey, Uncle City Collins. God blesses you for me.
Thank you very much. Please keep it up, okay? I mean your spiritual life.
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up!
Uncle, I do not want to come here and receive any insult from who I hope they respect me. I hope they're giving me respect. If not, do it with Madonna.
Will you keep your mouth shut? Keep quiet.
You see what I mean? She's a full-fledged adult. Her English is not even good. How can she cope with the children?
Oh, don't worry. She'll definitely cope. And with time, all I want you to do is assist me in the registration, please.
I'm friendly. I'll sort that out.
Young man, he does not greet it.
Come on, let's talk this.
Well, I does not take it. I does not take it. She does not greet it. And I mean, often knows okay to watching the way.
Come on, get it. Come on.
Apple the mama. Hey, Chineke okoro amagisa. Na chokwa na akpu ihe na acha akpu kemgbe. Ama na akpu doro ado. And I search everywhere for akpu. Bro na akpu no n'ihu junction. Hey. Ha. Kabo kwa kutu.
enjoy sitting. This is the time I enjoy sitting.
What happened to the garlic in the kitchen?
I does not want to eat garlic. Yes, I does not like garlic.
And how many times have I warned you not to eat in the sitting room?
That is what concerns me.
I asked you not to eat here, but in the kitchen. So what are you doing here?
Please, forgiveness. The thing is that the kitchen has some fire. I wanted a place I can do supper. Makiha ba ordinary garri or utume. That is why. Sorry. Candy to phone him, kanje.
Matt, you come and stop this from
And come to think of it, darling, just look at my mates. You emptied my pot.
That it has very sorry.
Can you excuse me?
No, sorry.
You emptied my pot. I am talking to you and you're staring at me. You're staring at me. You're staring at me. I'm talking to you. I feel like struck. Oh.
No. Why do you have to do this rubbish? Why eating here in the sitting room?
Can you?
This is rubbish.
Pick on the Please. Can you?
Take this.
Auntie, you came in here. Come here. You came in here. Come here. I said, come here. You. Idiot. Let me alone. Darling, let me alone. Rubbish.
Abama wanyama, abama wamama, mwane warasabu, odacho kwa trouble, mani yakwe yansabu, ige kolu kesi, imakwi kolu se kesi ya, abula bunku, abama wari ya waya. This is apple. Abama butu abugo. Apple. Hey jibi, apple. Oh la la. This is apple. Abama mama, abama weje jemba. Ichom piakasia. Icho kebiri nude biri. Manacho bana bombo kuo. Cha. Single ball. Ay. Wanyi buru wake. Mwaka kwaraka. One mi fesirike. Abama. Oneje. Abama. Onede. Ofu wanya na bombo. Ndama. Jai ajoma. Apple. Ewa. This girl not looking for trouble. Abama. She's a hustler. If forget jama. This girl not looking for wahala. Abama. She's a hustler. Jai. If forget jama. She know they look for trouble. I told her. She know they look for wire. I told her. She know they.
Nina, what's up now? You it's not be this, I don't like it. Is it because I'm in love with you? Or do you think you're the only fine girl in this school?
Hey!
Why you being satisfied? Why You give service for us.
Look at this Mama Primary 5.
What does it do?
Look at this Mama Primary 5. Won't you mind their business? Or don't you realize I'm your senior in this school?
See, let me tell you. I am not a mate. My kids is so say we grab like oya lives here. Lives here. I'm not fine. What does he tell you?
It's not what does he tell you. It's what did he tell you?
Okay, what did he tell you? Jerukwe, I am sure that he does not want to go to this place. If he asks you, where are 3 like that, because our bodies is the temples of God. I does not put you out. I does not take your sense.
This is Apple. I'm on my way. This is Apple. I'm on my Hey, Jibby, hey, Jibby, Hey, Jibby, hey, Jibby. Hey! This is Apple.
Is this not a hammer?
Hey! I'm Mama Kazu. Hey! I touch his hammer. Because you sit there, Mama. Hey? So this... It is the hammer can. Hey! Oh, I touch his hammer today. Oh. Hi. I won't need to go in a city. I touches it. So I touch his hammer. I touch his hammer. I discuss this with hammer now. Hey! No child, I didn't hear that. My dreams is a come true now. I touch his hammer. Hey!
What is it? Is there a problem?
It is not a problem. It is a hammer. The hammer car.
Oh, hammer.
The hammer cars.
No, this is not a hammer.
But it's like a hammers.
Yes, but this is an SUV.
I like it too much. I tell my mother that if I make money that I will buy 2 hammers. My mother will drive 1 hammer and I will drive 1 hammer.
It's okay. You mean you like it?
Yes. I was kujad and majad when I come here and I see hammers. That is why I purchase it. I am not a thief.
You know what? Since you like it, you can take a very good look at it. I will open inside.
You want to open it?
Take a look at it.
Hey! Uncle. Sorry, Oga.
No, it's okay.
It is a beautifulness.
Open it. Go ahead.
Hey, on a back Udu bunch. Pami Udu bunch.
Is that okay? Watch.
I go.
Watch. You don't want to take a look?
Hey! Uncle! This is a miracle. It is a miracle. God opens it from heaven. Or you touch it.
No, I open it from here.
So you touch it and it opens by itself.
It does. Let me close it.
Oh, God blesses you. I go.
No, come in. I'll drop you. Where are you going? Come inside. I'll drop you.
I hope you are not a ritualization.
No.
I does not want to be a victimization. So if you don't want to use this me, because I praise God Almighty.
No, don't worry. I'm not a ritualist. I'm a plain businessman. A well-known businessman. People don't meet now. So feel safe. Come on, go inside.
Do you know God?
Very well. Come inside. I'll check out. I'm in a hurry. Someone has really happened. Oh my God.
things in the world. There are things. Hey! I dreams of hammer. I tells my mother that I buys hammer. And if I want to buy hammer, I buys 2 hammers.
You don't mean it.
For 2 peoples. Hey! So I enters hammers. Okay, but you say it's not hammers that is.
This is not Hummer. This is an SUV. SUV.
Hey, mana, I think I had drop population. No, hammers, kamamaka. I tells my mother that I have a car that I wanted to buy for her, and it is a hammer. Udurumota, hammer, kamaka. And I will hammer so I can buy hammers for my mother.
You're a very funny person, honestly.
My uncle tells me that I funny, but it is not that one that I talk so. I talk about Chimo. Hey! It looks like I am in Uneni. Upstairs.
It's an SUV, so it's a big vehicle.
SUV.
Don't worry, you will enjoy the inside. I do it.
SUV.
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 Yes.
It is a name of a motors.
Yes, it is a type of car.
Oh, Chuku na-ekekwe o. Chuku ị na-ekekwe. Hey! Akpọ. So, Aboma, you enters hammer now. Hey! Aboma, go. See, I have spades. If I enter SUV, I will enter hammers.
SUV.
Yes. I will enter hammers. I believe.
You have to wear the seat belt.
Eh?
The seat belt. Like this.
Okay.
Pull it.
Hey.
Pull it.
This supermoto mother, nekwe moto.
Okay. Good.
Hey! Chimo! Ogaranya bomume. Hey, Chineke. Good. You must give me hammers. Hey!
Funny.
Chimo,
no, just pray well to God. Pray well to God.
Hey!
We have hammer.
Hey! Go Galopson. Madam. Relax, yeah. Hey! God's your goods. You are goods. Hey! I tells my mother. No, I tells her because my mother is a suffer too much. Is a sofa, so I tell her that I will buy hammers for her.
Don't worry, there is time for everything. There is time for everything. You will get to buy it for her. Okay? One day. You are not going to be poor permanently.
Putting it 2 hands now, Maka.
No, it's okay.
It's okay. It does not slip us from your hand.
No. Oh my God, you are such a funny person, honestly.
Chuku okike. But Joka sapat, Chuku neke ihe. Chuku neke ihe. Hey!
Honestly, you are fun to be with.
I can sleep in this car. I can sleep in this car. I can bath in this car.
In this car?
This is a bed. This is a bed.
But this thing has petrol. You cannot put light there.
What I talk is that this car, it is a big. It is a big and it is a relaxer. You relax. Yes, I like hammers. So.
Oh, it's not hammers. Hummer.
Hummer.
Yes.
Okay. I like
but this one is an SUV.
Manabiko, I want to beg you for something. I call you Oga Hammer because SUV and hammer is the same unenuka. So I call you Oga Hammers. Oga Hammers. No. You are Oga Hammers. Hey! I like hammers, so I have a likeness for hammers.
Great.
But hey!
But have you ever been inside a Hummer before?
Oga Hammer, no.
Now you are experiencing this one. This is an SUV. It's just like Hummer.
Okay, SUV Hummer. That is what I talk. I call you Oga Hammer. Because SUV EV. I does not remember it in Benin. Hammer be maybe no be. It is in my heart.
You will receive your heart.
It has stayed though. It has stayed that this hammer sky is in my heart. It does not start today.
Really?
Ha! If you ask my mother, she will tell you, no te go ijemuna hammer.
Don't worry, you will have your heart desire.
God will do it though. He has to do it for me.
This is the story of Hammer.
Hi.
So when you call me Oga
Hammer.
Aha. I will now call you, when you have your own, I will call you Madam Hammers.
Hey, Jesus, don't you know that if you call me Madam Hammers, it means I have hammers?
Yes.
Hey, Chukwu, amen, amen. Hey, I believe it.
My God.
No, I believe it. Chukwu father, I must drive say hammers.
You will drive it, don't worry.
Mama, you're dead. Madam, don't kill you finish.
Uncle.
Enter.
She looks for me.
She's morning.
Chimo.
Good evening. God punish you. May God twist that your mouth. Where do you think you're coming from at this time of the night?
It is forgiveness.
So you abandoned where I sent you and went after your boyfriend, right?
No. It is not a boyfriend thing. Say, Auntie Kamama Kebezu, how much you got after? But I'm sorry. Oh, forgiveness. It does not have to happen again.
You have to go back to where you're from. Also, get out! I said leave my house.
No, I don't want anybody else again.
Really? Go and leave those your boyfriend.
I don't have anywhere else to go.
Really? My house.
Hey.
Come on, get out! Come on, of this place. Come on, get out of this place. Come, Musa, make sure, if I get, push her out of this compound. Push her out. I'm uncle.
Destiny comes from God.